Come here, Coco. What you doing, bud? Huh? What you doing, buddy? Coco, what you doing? Go run! Go run! Alright, come here, run to me. You better come here, Coco Kisses. Okay, wait right there, stop. Come here, Goofy. Coco, come here. You getting thirsty? Come here, Coco. Look at that face. Look at that big ham. Are you a big ham, Coco? Are you a big ham, Coco? Are you a big ham? Are you a big ham? I think you're a Coco ham. I think you're a Coco ham. Yes. Yes. You're a Coco ham. Oh, there's a Coco ham. There's a Coco ham. Are you embarrassed? Let me see that face. Oh, that cute face. That cute face. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, Coco. You going? Is it too hot out here? Is it too hot out here? Where do you think you're going? You trying to go back inside? Are you trying to go back inside? I'm talking to you, Coco. I'm talking to you, Mr. Coco. Come here. Come on. Come on, Coco. Coco, come here. Go inside. Go. Go to the door. Come here. Let's go inside. Little jumping thing. Are you a jumping bean? Are you a jumping bean? Huh? Are you a jumping bean, Coco? Are you my jumping bean? Yeah. Oh, Coco love. Some Coco love. Yes. Oh my goodness, it's good Coco Kisses.